Dua to recite when unable to sleep. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid al-Makhzumi, may Allah be pleased with him, complained to the Prophet, saying, O Messenger of Allah, I am unable to sleep at night due to sleeplessness. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when you go to your bed to sleep, recite this dua. Allahu Rabbus Samawati Sab'i wa ma awallat wa Rabbul Aradina wa ma aqallat wa Rabbus Shayatini wa ma adallat kun li jaram min sharri khalqika kullihim jami'an أن يفرط علي أحد منهم أو أن يبغي عز جارك وجل ثناؤك ولا إله غيرك لا إله إلا أنت. O Allah, Lord of the seven heavens and all that they cast their shade upon, Lord of the earths and all that they bear in support, and Lord of the shayateen and all whom they misguide, be for me a protector against the evil of your creation, all of them together, so that none of them should rebel against me or oppress me. Honored is the one who seeks your protection, and glorified is your praise, and there is none worthy of worship other than you, and there is none worthy of worship except you.